Let me tell you about the banana. The banana is a very popular fruit in the world. It is long and curved, and when it is ripe, the skin is yellow. People love bananas because they are tasty and healthy. A ripe banana has yellow skin, sometimes with small brown spots. When you peel it, the inside is soft and cream-colored. The taste is sweet, gentle, and very pleasant. Bananas can be eaten in many ways. You can eat them fresh, add slices to cereal, or make a smoothie. They can also be fried, baked in cakes, or dried into chips. Bananas are not only delicious but also very healthy. They give us energy, vitamins, and minerals. Potassium in bananas is especially good for the heart and body. The yellow color of bananas is like sunshine. They bring joy and warmth to life. In many cultures, banana leaves are used to wrap food, and banana trees decorate villages. Bananas are truly a gift from nature. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning.